Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
The next stock on our radar, they posted a good set of numbers in yesterday's trading session. The sales were up by more than 10%. We had the net profitability that close to have doubled this time around. We have Atil Parikh, the managing director of the company, who joins us on the phone line. Hi, Atil. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, it's been a good start to the year. If you could tell us, from the specialty business, you were telling us that you're going to be increasing your focus there. How is that shaping up? What is it as a percentage of the total revenues? And also tell us for the remainder of this year, should we be working with double digit? Can you do better than this?
Yeah, it's been definitely a good year now, and as you can see, the results have been very positive. And we definitely look ahead in the year with the same numbers on double-digit growth that we see in the top line. And definitely in the bottom line, we see the EBITDA margins increased by 50 to 100 basis points, and the PAT also being in the same range that you see in the quarter one results. With the specialty products, it contributes about 20 to 22% of our total turnover as of now. And the 20 Microns now is going on with a semi-IPO for its subsidiary, where it will be focusing more on the value-added minerals and specialty chemicals that it is currently doing, which we have already filed the DRHP with the SME exchange, and we should come out with the IPO anytime in the next few weeks.
130 crores is what you can do in terms of sales for this year. Last year did 390.
Right. We will be going with about 11 to 15% growth in this year for the same. Yeah.
Okay. You said the specialty chemicals currently contributes about 20 to 22% of your overall revenues.
Right.
If you could throw some more color, what are the kind of margins you enjoy? What was the growth particularly for your specialties business, and how much can it contribute going ahead, say by the end of FY19?
Well, we are currently trying to reclassify all the products in our portfolio, and we are more focused now on the specialty chemicals business. And that is the reason I mentioned that we are trying to create a new subsidiary and going on for an IPO for putting up a new plant in Baroda. And for that, we see that the products have a very good margin. The EBITDA margins are really good in double digits. And we expect that that would continue to grow because all our customers currently are importing these particular products, and we are substituting those import products with domestic manufacturing.
Okay, you're saying you're going to go in for an IPO of one of your subsidiaries. What kind of money you'll raise from there? And what about the debt in your books? I'm looking at your finance costs. That's come in lower on a year-on-year basis. So have you repaid some debt? What is the debt in your books, and what cost are you borrowing at?
Right. So, yes, we are going in for an IPO for a size of 21 crores, which will be raising mainly for the capex, for setting up a new plant here in Baroda. And it will be mainly focused on the specialty chemicals that we're the high-value products with high-margin products. And yes, we have debt on our books, which we have started repaying through the internal accruals. And we, in the next 2 to 3 years, we intend to kind of eliminate the debt component that we have on the books through the internal cash accruals.
Okay. You do not plan to, pare down your debt by means of any idle assets? Does the company have any idle assets which it can monetize?
Yeah. No, as of now, we do not have any idle assets. All the idle assets that we have already been planned to be converted into manufacturing in the near future.
Okay, all right. Atil, final question. I remember the last time you joined us, earlier the promoters were selling stake, and obviously your investors would not be too happy. Is there a possibility, now it's been rather constant, is there a possibility that you go ahead and increase stake? Because you had hinted last time around.
Yes, it was more of a reclassification that happened earlier, and in the promoter group for the shares. And we have done in the quarter one of this year, we have done creeping acquisition of about 0.4% by the promoters, and we intend to keep continuing to do that under the limits. And we tend to increase the promoter shareholding in the near future for sure.